like fried chicken, shrimp and grits, mac and cheese, and good bourbon, if you say no, go away. But if you say yes, come on down to Mama Bird's in Vegas, one of the best southern kitchens in the whole city. They say wicked chickens lay deviled eggs, then these must have been Jeffrey Dahmer's chickens because these were fire. We ran through plate after plate. The shrimp and grits was on point. The plate of jalapeno cornbread, the brisket, the succulent ribs, my God. Check out the drinks. Look at this watermelon lemonade. Doesn't that look amazing? They recently renovated, so they have a full open bar and TVs for a good sports bar feel. They've got some cool bourbons like Dana White's Howler Head and Jamie Foxx's BSB, and they have Dogfish on draft.